Namaste to all Jayavin students. I am Jayavin Rajendra Chaudhary, Department of Science and Technology. Today we are cover the complete applet descriptions and what do mean definitions of applet, life cycle of applet, methods, some methods of applet. Basically, applet is a small program in Java that used to create a dynamic and web content on your browser. Applet in Java that can be embedded into a web page. It runs inside the web browser and works at client side. An applet is embedded in an HTML page using the applet or object tag and hosted on a web server. And the work of at the client side that to draw some images, pixels, dynamic content on your web browser. And applet is a panel that allows the interaction with a Java program typically embedded in web pages and can be run from browser. There are for security reason applet run in sandbox. They are bytecode verifier, class loader, security manager. There are some useful points related to applet, and all applet are subclasses either directly or indirectly, and each applet classes have some definition, and that definition is stored in java.applet.applets classes. Applet are not standalone program. Instead, they run within either a web browser or an applet viewer. Basically, generally we talk about applet executions of an applet is not being at main method. Output of an applet window is not performed by system.out.println. Basically, system.out.println displays some statement, some values on your console, but the applet output is not defined in system.out.println. It is another method to use to display some images and dynamic content on your web browser. There are some classes related we used to on applet like java.awt component, java.awt container, awt panel, and awt applet, applet. These are the all classes is include in a Java package like java.awt packages that hold some definitions related to each of the classes, and these classes are used to perform some operations to develop to create a dynamic web page content on your browser. There are some simple code of applet. To draw a simple applet on your browser, firstly we create a Java file, and Java file name is trival_applet.java, and here we mention a package, import the package java.applet package and take the class a trival_applet and extend applet classes. And second file is .html file to draw the some applet panel on your browser, like we take some tag like applet and code. This is defined to class of Java that applet code is mentioned, and width and height the define the coordination and the attributes of this web browser. Okay, here we draw some simple messages on your web browser. Firstly we import the java.awt package. Second we also import the java.applet package, and here we take a class name hello world, and this class extend by applet. And applet classes have some predefined method like parent, drawString, and parent method. Inside the parent method we put the some classes graphics class you use to draw the some graphical images, graphical font on your browsers. Void parent is a predefined method of applet, and drawString is also predefined method to draw the some content on your browser hello world, and 30 and 30 is the coordinations of this hello world. Here we put the some method related to applet, init method, start method, stop method, destroy method, and these are the life cycle of your applet, how to work a applet. This method is defined to life cycle of your applet. how to Java applet work. Firstly, there are 3 and 4 methods to describe the complete working of your applet: init, start, stop, destroy. Next we introduce it of method. This method, the first method of your method to be executed, is automatically called by the system when the JVM launches the applet for the first time. And some features of init method is initialization variable, define the UI component like button, text field, and scroll bar. Second method is start method, and start method is automatically called after the JVM call the init method. Third method is stop method. Stop method also automatically called when the user move off the page on which the applet side. When we use a browser and whenever a user move your mouse on offside, then this method is called automatic. And this method called just before the destroy method. Next method is destroy. Destroy method called after the stop, and the JVM guaranteed to the call this method when the browser shuts down normally. Whenever we close the browser, then the method is called automatically. Okay, here we define some working process of your applet. This is 4 type of method that to cover the complete working of your applet. Firstly, initialization the variable. Second, start method is invoked. Third, stop method is invoked, and lastly, destroy method is invoked. Okay, thank you so much.